Y equals sine a quarter theta. So my b value in this case is a quarter. So to figure out the period, it's always 2 pi divided by b. So in this case, it's 2 pi divided by a quarter. So when you divide by a fraction, it's invert and multiply. So this is 2 pi times 4 over 1, which is just 2 pi times 4, which is 8 pi. So this is a really big period. So far, our periods have never been bigger than 2 pi. This is huge. It's 8 pi. Now we can find the key points. Key points are always pi over 2b apart. So pi over 2 times a quarter, which is 2 is just 2 over 1. So this is the same as pi over 2 over 4, which we can reduce that 2 over 4. So this is pi over a half. Invert and multiply, this is pi times 2 over 1, which is just 2. So the key points are 2 pi apart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my scale that every square is pi this time. So then it's going to be every 2 squares is where a key point's going to be. So when I'm doing my scale, I'm just going to label where 5 pi is. So I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 pi. To the left, exact same, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's negative 5 pi. Up and down, I'm just going to go 2 squares is 1, and 2 squares down is negative 1, and I'm going to dot those in because that's my amplitude. Now I can start graphing this. I know sine starts in the middle, and then it goes middle, high, middle, high, middle, low. And just again, it's every 2 squares is how far apart those middles and highs are. So here we go, middle, high, middle, low, middle. To go to the left of 0, the pattern's actually backwards. It goes middle, low, high, middle, high. So I'm not going super far in either direction, but you can keep going as far as you want on this one. Okay, draw in the line, put in your arrows, and now I'm just going to check by going peak to peak and figuring out what the period is of this one. So it's 8 squares from peak to peak. Each square is pi, so the period of this is 8 pi, which is what it was supposed to be.